Hey everybody, it's Crypto Tom, and today we're doing Bitcoin Misconceptions Part 3. And today's Bitcoin misconception is that Bitcoin is too volatile to be considered a storage of value. Let's dive in. While it's true that Bitcoin is more volatile than many other investments throughout history, it's important to understand what volatility means. To explain the importance of volatility, let's go back to 1971, August. President Nixon severs the gold standard from the US dollar. In the decade to come, gold would increase in value tenfold from when it was severed from the US dollar. Some would say that is massive volatility, but it also gave extremely good possibilities for those who invested and saw the value in it. Over the decades to come, gold would flatten and lose about 60% from its all-time highs. Gold was at its most volatile during those decades because it was entering price discovery mode. Because it wasn't locked into the value of the US dollar, it was set free. Bitcoin is going through the same thing. It's going through price discovery mode. That's why the prices are so volatile, and that's why investors stand to make the most in their returns. Now, sometimes the most volatile assets have the best returns, and sometimes they do not. So when speaking about volatility, many people assume that it's bad, that it can't be a storage of value. That's not the case. What should be considered when talking about Bitcoin's volatility is whether or not it's the right investment for you and your risk management strategies. So while Bitcoin may not be the right investment for you, it doesn't mean that it's necessarily a bad thing that it's extremely volatile. It's simply in the beginning stages of a new market. The same thing can be applied to many other cryptocurrencies, NFTs, etc. Just because they're volatile in price and people don't understand the market doesn't mean that it's a scam or it's a bad thing. But it might not be the right thing for you. And as always, none of this is financial advice. Please talk to a licensed financial advisor or your personal accountant for your own financial strategy. I'll see you next time.